Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about Node.js and its features. So let's start. Node.js is a platform built on Chrome JavaScript runtime, and Node.js is open source server. It can be easily downloaded for free from internet. And another is it is event driven, means our Node.js program will not run until and unless we will send them an event. An event may be user click, user form submit, user network request like API call. And another important feature of Node.js is scalability. It can be scalable in horizontal or vertical, both way. In horizontal scaling, what we can do, we can add many nodes, means we can route it or add many node in a single application with new feature. And in vertical scaling, we can add many resources like for file upload, many npm packages that we can add in this server. And next most important feature is non-blocking input output model. So let's understand what is non-blocking input output model. It is same as asynchronous, means we all know that JavaScript is asynchronous programming language, means it does not wait for program to run and it automatically move to the next line of code. Like suppose we have sent a network request, okay, and we have some time before that network send us response, so we need to wait. But in JavaScript it does not wait, it moves to next statement, and that is called asynchronous programming. So Node.js is asynchronous. Like in another programming languages like PHP, what we do, suppose we have to read something from file, so first it requests a file to be read, and until and unless that file is not written by our program, it does not move to the next statement. So that this is the one of the best feature, you can say it's the advantages of Node.js. That's why we are using Node.js server. Except this feature, what another thing bring us to Node.js is that we always want to use a single programming language in our application, and JavaScript is mainly used in front end. So to use JavaScript at server, our JavaScript as at server, we need some engine to run that thing as a server. So Node.js provide us that environment. Due to Node.js, we are able to run JavaScript at client side. This is JavaScript. It can be run at client side as well as server side, and this is also most important feature. That's why Node.js is much popular. And except this, a great community support. So if we stuck at any point, there are millions of people are there to help us at any time. So we can proceed with Node.js without any stoppage. And there are lots of libraries used in Node.js at server side as well as client side that helps us to optimize our code and run efficient code. So some of our React.js, Vue.js and Express.js, that is for backend, means for API development we will use Express.js, and for front end we are not going to use React.js, we will use EJS or Pug. It's the feature of Express. So that all things we will discuss in our proceeding succeeding lecture. So guys, please keep in touch with me. If you have any problem in this tutorial, please inquire about me for this. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.